Today I will show you how we can create a layout for our Next.js application. What I mean by the layout is the page component we can use for the same components for another pages when we are showing. So in a visual way, I will explain like this. So let's say we have a header and we would like to use that header in all of our pages. Also, we have a footer here. We would like to use that in all of our pages. When I go to About page, as you see, there is nothing except in the About page itself. I would like to change that and move this component to our layout now. So if we open our application, in the pages, as you see, there is a app.app.tsx file, and as you see, there is a component. It gets all of the components and render it inside. So I would like to create our first component for the layout. I will do that layout and after that index as tsx. Here I will create const layout component and it will get our component and the page props as a app props itself here, and we will render the component inside there. But first we need to generate our layout directly here. So I would like to add our empty component here, and I would like to add header element first, and it was the home header component we have created before. So let's close this one. We don't need this, we can directly close it here. And afterwards we need our footer component directly here. Create our layout component now. We can get the children props here as a children, and we can write JSX element children attribute as a type and render the children element directly here. So we need to export default layout component here, and we need to use that in our my app component and the underscore app.tsx. So we open the layout component here and close it after the component has been completed. So we pass our children into the layout, and this layout gets the children element and renders it between home header and the footer elements. Now we can have a look. How does it look in our application now? It will not look very good because we haven't removed the home page elements currently inside the index, because we have the home header and the footer as well here. Now let's open our browser. Yeah, as you see, we have the same header came up there. Also, we have the same footer here. Let's clear them out. So I'm removing them from the pages.index.tsx. I remove the home header component and the footer component directly there. As you see, our home header is here, and the footer component is there. So we created our layout now. So in the home main we have a very big padding, and we can close this one, and let's also change this height to 65 VH so we can see all of the things much more clear. So I will do that changes into the CSS module, but you don't need to. If you want, you can follow the same things. And the home module, I came here, so make this one as a 65. Alright, so as you see, we have our header and we have our footer. Let's make it 80. Alright, it looks better. And here, if we go to About page, what I expect to see the same header and the same footer in the About page, because we have created our layout now. Yes, very nice. So as you see, our About page is using the same header and the same footer. On the About page, let's add a styling for our About element here, and we can use directly as a class name and add the class name afterwards from our styles. So about page module.css, and about page class will be use min height as a ATVH. So let's add this from styles, about page, and import the styles directly in our application from the same module. So we will do that, import styles from about page module.css. Okay, now it should run. It is updating now. As you see, our page size has been increased to 85 VH and 80 VH. Alright, now if you go to home page again, if I would like to, we don't have a home page, it's empty. If we go to home directory, we will see the same footer and same header. Let's go to the blog. In the blog page, we are seeing the same header and the same footer. So our layout is ready, and we can use that in all of our pages now. If you want to edit some kind of features or some kind of text inside the layout, you can just come here into the components, and I don't know, after in the footer, for example, we can just change and add here, for example, let's add a paragraph element, React, Next.js tutorials are awesome. So as you see, we directly get it there. You can directly make any changes you want. You can use it with anything, so I will just delete it for now. I just wanted to show you can do changes as you wish. And thank you for listening for me today, and I hope you understand the layouts. Please write any comments if you have, or anything you want me to include on the next chapters. And I wish you have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe as well. Goodbye.